What's up guys, this is Miss Jacinda from the South, yes, South with an F. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my high protein vegan meals that I've had throughout the day or week. This is a veggie pasta that I had made out of cauliflower pasta, spinach, mushrooms, and broccoli, plum tomatoes, and a vegan Alfredo sauce. This is the pasta that I use to make the veggie pasta. This is a baked sweet potato with mashed chickpeas, spinach, broccoli, and some mushrooms. I season it with Cajun seasoning. This is stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and vegetables, and this is how I made it. You're gonna start off by cooking your quinoa according to the package. Now the quinoa is done. Preheat your oven on 400 degrees. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut our bell pepper in half, disregard the middle. Place your bell pepper on a piece of foil. Spray it with a cooking spray. You can use a cooking spray of your choice. In this video, I use an avocado coconut oil spray. You're going to spray it on both sides. And you're going to season it with any type of seasoning that you like. In this video, I used the Bagel Everything seasoning. Now we're going to place these in the oven and let them cook for about 10 minutes. While those are cooking in the oven, we're going to go ahead and chop up the rest of our vegetables. Y'all don't kill me. I know that it look kind of hazy right now. I accidentally put my finger on the lens of the camera and didn't realize until after I finished recording it. So it was going to be a headache for me to go back and fix all of that. So sorry about that, guys. Next, in a small saucepan, you're going to spray the pan with some cooking spray. You're going to saute your vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes. And here you're going to see me adding some spinach in as well. Since the spinach doesn't take long, I just put it in the same pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now the bell peppers are ready. We're gonna go ahead and stuff it with quinoa and vegetables. I added some cranberries in there and some tomatoes and avocado, and I topped it off with some everything bagel seasoning. This is a buffalo chickpea wrap, some homemade garlic fries made in the air fryer, and I made some homemade aioli sauce, you guys. The aioli sauce was fire. I kept hearing about aioli sauce until I made it on my own. This is fire. It was so good, y'all. I ended up dipping my fries and my wrap in there. Now, these BBQ corn ribs, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into how I made them, y'all. You're gonna cut your corn in half, and you're gonna cut the halves in half. And yes, y'all, I did struggle a bit. It wasn't easy, but this being my first time, and I had a good sharp knife. So you're gonna see the struggle here. this is what they should look like. This is what you're going to use to brush the corn before you place it in the air fryer. Mix all those ingredients that you saw in the left-hand corner. Now you want to brush your corn with the oil mix, completely covering the corn. Now we're going to place these in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And y'all, since I have a personal air fryer, I kind of had to force these in there, but they fit anyway. But you know what I mean, if you have a large size air fryer, that will work better. Now while these are cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our Chipotle lime mayo sauce. You're going to mix all these ingredients that you see in the left hand corner. Now the corn is ready. We're going to remove it from the air fryer, place it on a plate, and we're going to brush the corn with some barbecue sauce. I used a local brand that's called George's, which was really good, but you could use a barbecue sauce of your choice. Now, drizzle the Chipotle lime mayo over the corn. We're going to top it off with some Parmesan cheese and cilantro. I use vegan Parmesan cheese in this video, but you could use regular Parmesan cheese if you like. And when I tell y'all, This corn was busting. And not only that, I made some vegan potato salad and kale and spinach mix. Oh my God. When I tell you fire, fire, fire. This was busting, y'all. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.